Hey, how's it going, Glenn? This is Holden. I said I was going to shoot you over a video, and in this video, I just want to show you a few things you can do to really get some more customers in the door and get some more traffic and beat out your competition online. You know, everybody is searching for what they want on Google these days, right? And if you cannot get found in the search results, then you're really just having a hard time getting found. And a lot of times, the only hesitation that I see that business owners have to hiring someone for this sort of thing is they just don't know who the experts are and who they're not, right? So by giving out this free plan of attack, you know, these 3 things that you can do and implement yourself, it's really resulted in a lot of business owners just coming back to me and saying, hey, Holden, I could really use your help. So if by the end of this video you feel like I've got some value and you want to chat, shoot me a message and we can talk some more. If not, that's totally fine. I just ask that you please do implement these things because they definitely will help your business out, get you some more customers and traffic, okay? So let's jump in. I got your website right here. This thing looks nice. You got some a lot of services that you guys list. So that's pretty good. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing that Google looks at is content on your homepage. They like to see about 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And I'd say you probably have about maybe 300 on your homepage here, just looking. So that falls short of that 1,500 that Google really likes for optimization. This guy over here, he's your top competitor in the Google search results. You can see he has what looks to be about maybe 600, 700 words. It's still looks like he's fallen short of that 1,500, but he's got quite a few more of you. And you can see he's the first one that pops up underneath of Home Advisor and OVAB, which are directories, this True Team guy. And that's probably why he's beating you out here. So the next thing that I would say that you should look at as far as content goes is something called keywords. And that's what people search for in this search bar up here, right? That's spray foam insulation near me, spray foam insulation Dentalin, spray foam Florida. Whatever your services are that people are searching for that they put in the search bar, you need to include those keywords in the content on your homepage. You know, Google likes to match what people are searching for with the most relevant content out there. And if that's not on your homepage, then they're just going to go to the next guy. So next up, this right here, this is called the local map pack, right? And this is how you get found locally in your area. So when people search for near me or by me, this is what pops up. And if you want to get traffic from local customers, you need to be in this map pack. And the way you get into that is by having your name, address, and phone number as many times as possible and as many directories as possible. That's things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Yelp. And if your competition has 50 of these, make sure you're going to the next level and getting 150. That way you can stay up at the top and you don't get worried about bumping off to the second, third, or even off this thing, right? Next thing I'm going to show you is this right here. This is the organic area in the top 3. This is where a lot of the conversion happens. A lot of customers click on just these top 3. Nobody's going down all the way to the bottom to where the ads are or the second, third, fourth, fifth page Google. That might as well be the moon, really. So the way you get up into this is by looking at Google itself like it's a popularity contest. You know, there's all these things called backlinks, which are linking from one website to another, and they're kind of like popularity votes. The more of these links that you have from other websites linking to your website, the more votes you have, the more popular you are to Google, the more relevant they see that your website is, and they start boosting you up to the top. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, right? You know, you cannot go get a backlink from a pizza shop and link it to your spray foam insulation business because Google will realize that those are not relevant and they'll deduct you points from that. So make sure you're finding relevant links out there. All right, this is the last thing I'm going to show you. This is a tool that I pay about $1,000 a month for, and it buys data directly from Google. And it's not perfect, but it updates every week, and it does give me a great idea of what's going on with your website. So right now, it's showing me that you are getting found organically through your website, through Google, once a month. So once a month, someone's searching something and finding your website. Additionally, you have 25 keywords that people are searching for, but they're only finding you once a month, right? And then finally over here, this is how many of those domains that you have linking to your website. So you have 6 domains linking to your website, okay? And those are those votes of confidence that I was talking about. Now over here, this is your domain rank and URL rank. This number is kind of a ranking system that Google gives you based on how you're doing versus other websites in your industry. And it's showing me a very low domain rank, which is the important number. And that's probably just because of the lack of these backlinks, these referring domains that you have pointing in your direction. And that would, if you've got some quality links, that would really boost this up and give you some more power. So just to reiterate, the 3 things I want you to take a look at are getting in 1,500 words of content on your homepage at least. And then additionally, adding in those keywords that people are searching for up in this search bar. And then Next, to get into this local map pack, getting your name, address, and phone number out there as many times as possible and as many directories as possible. That's things like Yellow Pages. And then finally, if you want to get in this organic area, you need to make sure you're finding those backlinks that are relevant to your industry and they actually have something to do with spray foam. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Like I said, if you want to chat some more, shoot me a message and we can definitely talk. If not, that's totally fine. Please implement these things. The only thing I do ask is that you please do just send me a message back. I would really appreciate to hear what you thought of the video. So, all right, thanks a lot. Have a great one.